Hey guys, it's Chris with Visual Integration. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you another little tip and trick on the Safari app. Ever since the new ios15 firmware upgrade, they have put the address bar down at the bottom of the page. I don't know why they decided to do this. I'm sure they have the reasons, but I didn't like it. I still don't like it. Every time I would be on the Safari internet app, browsing, whatever, and I would scroll down, I would hit it. But today I discovered a little secret, and I thought I would share with you guys. So if we go into Safari, if we'll notice down here on the bottom, the address bar is on the bottom. I don't know if it makes it look cleaner or what, but I don't like it. So if we click on the two double A's again, and if you'll see on the very top, it says show top address bar. We're going to click that, and it puts our address bar back up to the top. I think, for me, I like that. I don't know if a lot of people don't like it, do like it. I don't know, but to me, I'd rather it be at the top for some reason. And for some odd reason, you want to reverse it back. It's just in reverse. Click the two double A's again, and down on the bottom, you show bottom tab, and you're back to the bottom. So anyways, I thought I would share this with you. I'm actually going to do it again because I want mine back up to the top. But I thought I would show this with you guys and help you out in case you didn't like it or if you didn't know it. So there it is, guys. Appreciate all the likes and the comments so far. Be sure to share this video, comment on it, subscribe. I've got more to come. Thanks for watching.